So I wanted to talk a little bit about your gear will get smashed and broken. We're actually coming back from Hokitika right now. Much better weather right now. And I left, we stopped at a rest stop and I left the suction cup from my GoPro on the hood of my car, on the roof of my car. And we were driving back because I was planning to stick it on the inside of the windshield and just use it and do a time lapse on the road, and I left the suction cup there. Thankfully put the $500 GoPro in the car, but the suction cup fell off. We heard it go bang, like on the it's falling off the roof, and it got smashed. Look at that, it's freaking broken. So with usage and negligence, your gear, your camera gear, will get broken. It is what it is.